Start with a slip knot and chain 100, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4. One double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. This one. Chain 2 and one single crochet in the next stitch. This one. Skip the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and one single crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this until the end. Skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and one single crochet into the next stitch. Skip 2, 2 double crochets. Chain 2, one single crochet into the next stitch. Make the last set of stitches. Skip 2, 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and one single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, now we'll be working only into this chain 2 spaces. This is the single crochet and this is the first chain 2 space. Make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and one single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Skip the stitches and this is the next chain 2 space. Repeat the same over here. 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and one single crochet into the same space. Now repeat this set of stitches into each of the chain 2 spaces. This is the next space. Two double crochets. Chain 2, one single crochet. This is how it will look. Make the last set of stitches. This is the chain 2 space. 2 double crochets. Chain 2. And here, instead of making the single crochet into the same space, make the single crochet into this last stitch. This one. This way you will have a neat edge. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. We'll be working only into this chain 2 spaces. Make the set of stitches. Skip the stitches. Next chain 2 space. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.